Hey folks, Dan here with a quick review of our spice rack, which we've had for about 9 months on the back of our pantry door. Slightly older house, this is our pantry just in here. And originally we were using a lot of space on the shelf for all of the spices and herbs that we had. Now we have more space on the pantry because there is these spice racks being used instead for storage. Now these are floating shelves, they are made of solid birch. Assembly took about 5 minutes per shelf, so kind of 10 minutes total. And you've got this bar in the middle, which attaches to these two side panels, which attaches to this base. And once that's all together, 2 screws there and 2 screws there, which come with it. And that's it, fully assembled. So 5 minutes a shelf, and you can buy it either as a pack of 1 or 2 or 4. We got the 2, hence 1 and 2. But once that's done then, you'll notice on the back we've got these little pre-installed clips, one on that side, one on that side, and you then have to take 2 screws from your own home DIY kit, 1 for each side, to screw into the wall, and these little hooks, then 1 and 2, just hook over those 2 screws and it's suspended in place, and that is it, right? It is that straightforward. So all you have to do is put in 2 screws from your own home kit. They don't come with this. 4 screws on the bottom do, the 2 screws for here do not. And if I just attach it to my solution here, it is a little bit makeshift because it turns out my door was too thin for the screws that I chose to use. So I had to get a thicker piece of wood over it instead. Nothing to do with the shelf, that was purely me and my location choice for the shelves. But if I hook it on, there we go. Simple as that, right? And obviously I've got the 2, so 4 screws from your home kit equals the 2 shelves just here. And on this shelf here, which I've left full to show you, I've got 14 different sized spices and herbs. I can't get a 15th one on, but it tells you that per shelf kind of 14. So now, you don't have to use it for spices. I guess that's my final point. I do really like it as a spice rack. I think it's a great shelf. You don't have to use it for spices if you wanted to use it for child's books or for your keys or for ornaments or for anything else you kind of had this idea for. It is just a shelf, right? So you can obviously choose to use it. But this, pun intended, just gives you a flavour of what you could use it for. So hopefully this helps you out, and thanks for watching.